the Sylvain?
Yep.
Okay, and Mr. Sylvain here in Parkland. And what we have here was 1,800 square feet of engineered hardwood, color black cherry, correct?
Right.
And Anderson completed the job, and Mr. Sylvain would like to mention a few words about the job.
Well, I think the entire crew did a great job. I mean, not only in the installation, but also in the care of our particular home. Very happy with the outcome of the job, very happy with the workmanship, which is a rare thing these days of Anderson and his crew. And I just want to thank the entire crew over there. Thank you.
Thank you. And do you like the speed that was done, everything was done in one day?
Yes, they worked really hard to get it done in one day. It was a long day for everybody, but definitely worth the effort.
Okay, excellent. Thank you so much. I appreciate your words. Thank you. Thank you.